Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change the language for Leica D Lux 7. And to do this, click on the menu button, it's located right here. Then move to this wrench icon. Here find the language. It should be, because if you have your camera in a different language, it might be difficult. Then so we're in the wrench and we're in the first page. Then scroll down to the second page, then to the third page, and from the third page go 3 times down, and here's the language. It has a icon of a face speaking something, talking something, so click on it, and here you can adjust the language, so choose whichever language you prefer. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.